Yeah, day 2. Oh, bloody hell.
Wow, that was amazing.
Is it coming to the top?
Oh, yeah. Shit.
Oh, sugar. Do you think it's meant to do that? Shall we burp it twice?
Yeah, I think we should. I don't know if it's meant to do that.
So we are burping the bottles so that they don't explode. The Elderflower Champagne's in there.
This is day 2. We have to do it for 7 days.
Oh, that doesn't make such a bang as the previous one.
Still bubbling, but they're different, aren't they?
Oh, it's coming to the top.
Oh, it's coming out.
Put the top on, quick.
Oh dear.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh no.
Put it down.
Mum, this might explode. Oh, it's made a mess.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
I'll wipe it up with this towel.
We have to do it again.
Do we?
Yeah, go and do it again.
Oh dear.
Oh, close it now.
Well, that one's not as bad now.
Does it smell good?
It smells a bit yeasty.